Ah! So, as you know, I am new to this channel, and I'm just going to start right into it. I'm going to do a review on Falsies Volume Express. As you can see, this eye, I have eyeliner on. It's just plain simple over eyeliner and then like a natural eyeshadow. And I actually have Volume Falsies on. So as you can see, there's a really big difference. I mean, really big. And just this. I like the tube, it's pretty. And this is the brush. Right here, curved. And you just put it on. And I don't know. I'm on my laptop, but this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. So I do it better like this. And they make it really long and luscious. Yes, that is for the mascara. As for eyeliner, I used the Maybelline. This is Maybelline. They came in a pack with the eyeliner. This is the Maybelline New York Unstoppable. That's what I used. And it kind of like gives you a really pretty look. It doesn't wash away very easily. That's what I like about it. And this is what it is. All I had to do was this. And you just basically just color the inside. And then just like a little tail. That's what I used. And as for eyeshadow, I'll do a full video later. But I used this. I don't remember where I got it, but I used this color. It's really light color. I used it up on the brow right here. And then I used this color in the corner. This one. A middle color. And I put it on the bottom. And then I used this dark one. And I put it in the middle. And that gives you a really, then you blend it, and that gives you a really nice natural look. I'll do a full video later. But that's it. This is the Princesa eyeshadow. I really like it. It gives you a really natural look for like school or daily use. And I can say this mascara, really good. Really good. I hated it at first, but it's really good. And eyeliner on top of it. Good. And don't forget, guys, remember to subscribe. Bye, guys.